Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to create a Telegram channel. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap on the pencil icon from the lower part on the right side. Click on New Channel, which is symbolized by the megaphone icon. Here, provide an avatar and name along with a good description for your channel. Remember, this is the main part which helps to grab the attention of subscribers towards your channel. So, make it catchy, clear, and informative. Now, tap on the tick mark from the upper right corner. Then, select your channel type, whether public or private, according to your needs. If you choose the public channel, then you have to provide a link so that people can find it on the search and share it with other people or friends. Make sure the link you provide should be available. Once you are done with the link, tap on the tick mark icon from the upper right. Next, select the members which you want to add to your channel. It's not compulsory, so you can do it later on manually. Now tap on the right-facing arrow from the bottom right, and you will successfully create a channel in Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to create a channel on Telegram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.